Hello friends, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be showing you a simple step-by-step process to build strong relationship with your subscribers. If you are aware, in my previous videos I had discussed about the three pillars to building a solid profitable online business. The first is traffic, the first pillar is traffic, second pillar is relationship, and the third pillar is products. So today we will be discussing about relationship and how you can go about building strong, long-lasting relationship with your subscribers. Believe me, this is the step which most of the people miss out, and I was one among them. Okay, and when you don't have this relationship system working perfectly in your online business, in your campaigns, no matter how hard you work, everything is a waste. So you really have to focus extremely well in building strong relationship with your subscribers, because if you don't do this, selling products and services on internet is very difficult, because people really don't believe people really don't believe everyone nowadays on internet, because there are so many scam artists. They are just willing to grab people's money, and they don't provide value. They just sell crap products. So there are so much of junk out there on the internet that it becomes difficult for good guys to sell their products and services. So the only way that you can break down the psychological barriers of your subscriber is to make sure that you build relationship with them, because once you have this in place, it will be really difficult for your subscribers not to purchase your products and services. Okay, and the second thing that you have to keep in mind is that people like to buy, but they don't like to be sold. Okay, keep this in mind. People like to purchase, but they don't like when we sell them stuff. Okay, so this system which I'm showing you right now will actually not focus on selling your products and services. You'll not look like a salesy person, but you will look like a genuine person who is willing to help your subscribers. And because you are genuine, people will trust you enough and purchase your products and services, even without you focusing on selling your products and services. So you will not be selling your products, you will be basically helping people out, and when you do this, the sales gets done automatically. Okay, so this phrase is really important. People like to buy, but they don't like to be sold. Okay, this is an important stuff. So with this, let's get started, and now we'll be focusing on relationship. So these are the 6 principles which I personally use in every email campaign that I personally set up, okay, for myself as well as my clients. And I've used this system in the campaigns of some of my multi-million dollar corporate clients, and it has worked brilliantly, and I'm sure it will work for you. So the first thing, the most important thing you have to keep in mind is help. Okay, you really have to help your subscribers. This is the most important part you have to keep in mind. The biggest thing that your subscribers want from you is that they want to go from point A to point B. That is, they have some problem and they have a goal to solve their problem. Okay, so you have to help them to reach their goal. You have to help them to solve their problem. So in every specific email, or in any piece of content that you are sharing with your subscriber, you have to make sure that you provide solid content and you are helpful in nature. Give them some good advice, give them some good tips. Okay, don't just give them any crap, and just don't keep promoting your products again and again. Okay, the more quality information you share with your subscribers, better are your chances that they will purchase your products and services. So be helpful in nature. This is very important. The second is always focus in providing value, okay, to your subscribers. Your income and sales will be directly proportional to the amount of value you give to your subscribers. Okay, this is very important to keep in mind. Your sales and income will be in direct proportion to the value you give to your subscribers. If you are not giving any value, your sales will be zero. If you're giving higher value, your sales will be high. So always keep this in mind. Give top-notch value, give more than what they expect from you, and when you do this, you will have a higher chance of selling your products and services. So make sure that you give top-notch value and the best help that you can in your niche. Third is CCPC. Okay, C stands for content. Okay, this is a kind of follow-up email series that you can give to your subscribers when you're promoting any product. Okay, so let's say you're promoting some XYZ product. So normally if you check your inbox, what people will do is buy my product. On every email they will try to sell you stuff. Okay, if you do this, you will be one among those crap guys. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to give solid value, solid help content, and then you have to focus in selling your products very lightly. Okay, and when you do this, they will love you. So if you're selling any product, the first email that you send out to your subscribers should be a pure content email. Okay, pure content email simply means that you give them some good valuable information. Okay, either you share with them a video the same way I'm doing with you right now, or probably you give them some article, good content article, or a good email. Okay, share with them some tips, and right below the video you can just say, by the way, I've created a solid training product which I really feel that will be helpful to you, and if you have liked the stuff that I have told you right now, just click on the link right below, and I'll be sharing with you more details about the product which will help you to solve your problem. So this is the simple pitch that you can give below your content. It's a light pitch, a light sales pitch, okay, that you can give below your valuable content. And when you do this, your email will not sound like a salesy email, a sales pitch. In fact, your subscribers will love you, and your amount of goodwill will keep increasing in the mind of your subscribers. And the more goodwill you have, the more money you will make. So keep this in mind always. So first email can be a pure content email and a light pitch. The second email can again be a content email and a light pitch. Okay. Third email probably can be a pure pitch email where you are just pitching your product, you are just telling about your product and service. Okay, so your subscribers will not mind very much, because you have already shared with them some good stuff previously. Okay, then the fourth email that you share with them can again be a content email and a light pitch at the end. Okay, so this is the kind of series that you can use for every new product that you are trying to promote, whether it is your own product or probably it is an affiliate product. So this is a good type of email campaign which will actually make sure that you look like a good guy, and also you are putting your product in front of your subscribers. Okay, so this is a pretty good email campaign. You are sharing 3 good content pitch, content information with one solid pitch. Okay, so this is the way you can structure your email campaign for every product. Third thing is videos. The internet is moving towards videos. YouTube is nowadays one of the top websites in the world because of videos, and in the few years everything will be videos. So why not switch over to videos? Because videos are fun to watch. The information that people grasp in videos is pretty quick. Secondly, it is easy to create videos. I'm shooting right in front of my webcam, and it is really inexpensive and it is absolutely cheap. Okay, and it is quick to create, it is fun to watch, and the information can be grasped pretty quickly. And if you take this if you compare this with an article, it's really difficult for people to read through a 500-word pitch or a content email. So switch over to videos, and videos have been shown, and people get top-notch conversions when they use videos in their sales letters and their content emails. So if possible, and you think you can speak in front of the camera, switch over to videos. Okay, and it is not that difficult. Initially it might be difficult because for first couple dozen of videos, some 20-30 videos, you might feel that, okay, I cannot speak in front of the camera, and it was the same for me. And if you're noticing, I'm from India and English is not my primary language, but still I can stand in front of the video and I can just speak very smoothly. So just practice, and if you practice, you can easily create videos. And you can even use softwares like Camtasia. It helps you to shoot screen capture videos where you can shoot your desktop, and you can actually record a PowerPoint presentation. So when you do that, you don't even have to come in front of the camera. Okay, you can just record a PowerPoint presentation, or you can just shoot your computer screen, and with this you can have your your product ready, your video ready. So if you create good content videos, your chances of getting interacting with your subscribers increases to a very high extent. Now the next part is interaction. This is the most important part, to build solid relationship, because on internet, if you will notice, there are very few people who interact with their subscribers, who interact with their visitors. If you have a campaign running that has interaction built in it, okay, where in some way or the other you're interacting with your subscribers, even in a semi-automated way, your chances of increasing your conversions boost up tremendously. So I'll be showing you an interactive campaign which I personally use on my website as well as my client's website, and this campaign has increased the conversions tremendously whenever it is used effectively. So I'll be sharing with you one of the interaction campaigns, and make sure you use it. So for now, just keep in mind, interaction is the key. If you interact with your subscribers even once back and forth through email, your chances of making a sale increases 10 times. So keep this in mind. The next thing is content and newsletters. There has always been a trend where people, they give out weekly newsletters to their list of subscribers and to build relationship. And this newsletters is nothing but a bunch of articles, good articles that you can arrange in an email, and you can send out to your subscribers every week. And if you do this and you provide some good content, your trust level with your subscribers keep increasing, because they keep opening your emails for more new stuff and information. So it is extremely important that you can start with your own newsletter, okay, a weekly newsletter, or probably a newsletter that goes out once a month or once every 15 days, and you can share some solid information in those newsletters with your list of subscribers. And you can even give some light pitches out there to sell new products and services or your own affiliate products. Okay, so keep in mind that you can even use this newsletters to build relationship with your subscribers. So the next thing I want to show you is there are two types of emails that you will be shooting out to your subscribers. There are two types of emails. Okay, the first one is the follow-up email series, and the second is the broadcast emails. I'll be giving you a very short information as to what is the difference between these two types of emails. Follow-up emails simply means that you set up your emails in sequence. Okay, so when a person signs up as a lead in your when a person signs up as a lead on your website, okay, so the first email that goes out is probably a free gift email where you are giving a free gift to your subscriber. Okay, now you can set up that the second email goes out after 2 days from the first email. So that's the sequence. Then you can set up that the third email will go out after 1 day of the sequence, and the fourth email will go out after 2 days. So you're actually setting up your email campaign in a sequence. Okay, and in this sequence campaign you can actually use all these ideas that I've given you along with your content and newsletters. Okay, so you can actually share your content and newsletters in this follow-up email campaign, where you can actually sequence your newsletters to go out once every week. Now this is how the follow-up email campaign is set up. The second campaign which you can set up is the broadcast emails. Broadcast emails are the type of emails that you shoot out to your entire list of subscribers, okay, at one shot. Okay, so you have, let's say, 10,000 subscribers, you write an email, you shoot it out, this email goes out to 10,000 subscribers at one shot. Okay, so this is what is called as broadcast emails, and you can even schedule this broadcast email. So let's say I want one of my emails to go out tomorrow morning 10 a.m. so I can actually sequence the email in advance, and at 10 a.m. the email will go out to all my subscribers at one shot. So this is what is called as a broadcast email. Okay, now I'll be sharing with you one campaign which I have used on my website as well as on the website of my clients, and this campaign actually works out amazingly. Okay, and it helps in building very strong relationship with subscribers, and if used correctly, it will boost your product sales. So let me share with you this campaign, and you can use this campaign in a broadcast email where you can actually shoot out these emails to your list of subscribers, or you can schedule them in advance. It's a complete campaign and it works out in a proper sequence. So let's get started with it. The first email which goes out is I need your help. Okay, this is the subject line of the email. It is called, the subject line is I need your help, and in this email you tell your subscribers that you want to know the exact problems that they are facing in your niche. Okay, and the reason you want to know their problem is because either you are creating a new product to help them solve their problems, or probably you can say that you are creating a new set of videos or articles on your website that will help them to solve their problems, or probably you are actually you can create a situation, or probably you can tell them that you will help them out to solve their problem on one-on-one basis. So you're creating a situation where you're asking your subscribers to reply back and tell you their problems that they are facing in your niche. It is like a survey. Okay, so basically what happens is that when you send out this email, I need your help, please send me, reply back with this email and send me your problem, then you will find that many people will reply back to you once this email goes out, and they will be telling you their problems. Okay, now the next thing you can do is you have to send out an individual response to each and every person. Okay, and give them some suggestion that will help them to solve their problem. So this one-way interaction will boost your relationship with that person immediately. Okay, so shoot them an email and help them to solve their problem, and save their question and answer in a Word document. Okay, and then write down all the question and answers that everyone has sent you in a Word document, save it out, then convert that Word document into PDF, and then send out that question and answer PDF to all your subscribers. Okay, shoot out the second email and send out that PDF of question and answers to all your subscribers, and tell them that you had conducted a survey where X number of people replied back with their questions, and you helped them out, and you have saved their question and answers for everyone to see. So if you can, so you can give them a link to download the PDF document. Now what happens is that many people who have not replied back to you with their problems will actually read the PDF document, and when they do this, your relationship even boosts further with those subscribers. Okay, and you actually build a very strong relationship, because most of the people have asked you their problems, you have helped them out, and for those who have not asked you their problems, still you have given them the question and answer PDF. So these two emails gives a solid interaction, creates a solid interaction between you and your subscriber, and this bumps up your relationship with your entire list of subscribers. Now the third type of email is a telecounseling email. In this type of email, you can tell your list of subscribers that you are conducting a one-on-one strategy session where you will help them on Skype or via phone. Okay, and if they are willing to speak with you to so that you can help them to solve their problem, so just shoot back and either give their contact number or probably give their Skype ID. Okay, and you can even conduct a telephone seminar. Okay, and you can get all the people who are interested to speak with you in a telephone seminar, and then you can speak with them and help to solve problems of multiple people at the same time. This can actually save your time. So you can conduct these type of teleseminars through a website called instantteleseminars.com. So basically in this email you are trying to help people via telephone, okay, by calling them up either through Skype, either through one-on-one phone call, or through teleseminars. And then when you have helped them, at the end you can pitch them, you can tell them about one of your high ticket products. This is actually very helpful in selling high ticket products, okay, high ticket products and services. So at the end of the content call, you can just pitch them your products and services. Now the next thing you can do is you can set up an automated email counseling. I did this for one of my clients and it's working brilliantly. The way I did it is I figured out around 20 subcategories, okay, approximately 20 type of questions, okay, that a person can ask in that specific niche. Okay, so I figured out around 30-40 questions and answers, and I set up all these questions and answers into different autoresponder campaigns, okay, in my autoresponder. So I created a different autoresponders for each and every question, and then I set up a survey on the website, on my website, okay, on the client's website, sorry. I set up a survey system on my client's website where basically what happened is that I asked a series of questions, okay. So the question one said that, for example, I can give you an example of a hair care website, okay. So like the first question was that do you have baldness problem? Click here. Second question, do you have hair loss problem? Click here. Third, do you have gray hair problem? Click here. So a person, let's say, clicked on baldness problem. Then I can ask him another set of questions like do you have a frontal baldness? Are you entirely bald, or probably you have alopecia? Click here. So when a person goes to the end result, okay, after clicking on all the questions, then a person is given a form to fill up, okay, and then there I tell the person that fill up the form, and based on this survey, one of the specialists or I personally will be giving you a reply back based on the survey that you have taken. And people fill up the form, and when they fill up the form, they get an answer specifically related to the survey that they have given. And then in that answer, I tell them that if they have any specific question, they can reply back to that email, and I will personally respond to them, okay, and I will again personally help them via probably email or telephone. So when you do this campaign, what happens is that many people take that survey, and what I have observed is that none of them actually reply back with a second phone call, okay. None of them reply back with a second email, okay, asking for a personal help. Because if you set up that front end automated email counseling very powerfully and you give good content, they don't require a need to again reply back and ask more questions, okay. And if you're not in an internet marketing niche the way I am working, and if you're in some other niche, people actually feel that the first email that has been sent to them is not automated, but probably it is a personalized email sent by you. So this is again an advantage if you are in some off niche like skincare, hair care or something where marketing people are not there, okay. So they feel that when they fill up the survey, the first email that is being sent to them is probably a personalized email by the website owner himself, and that again boosts the relationship to a tremendous extent. So you can take some time and set up this email counseling session, and actually hundreds of people will be doing the interaction with you without you even being present, and your relationship will keep boosting up, okay. Now the next email, you can send out an offer that is a pitch of your product to your list of subscribers. Now your subscribers will not mind that you are actually trying to sell them a product, because you have actually done all this work to build a relationship with your subscriber. Now they will be more than happy to actually get a pitch from you, and they will be in fact glad that you are actually now selling them something, okay. So you can actually send them an offer for your subscribers and try to make some money, and if you sell them a high ticket product, probably that can also give you a brilliant conversion rate, okay. Now the next thing you can do, that is the sixth email, you can give them some bonuses, okay. So create 3 to 4 very good bonuses that you can add up along with this product offer. And what happens is that when you do this and you give bonuses, so it stacks up on the coolness, you can say, okay. What happens is that you can actually create a scarcity, okay. You can tell people that you'll be getting these bonuses if they take your product, take your offer for next 7 days or 3 days, whatever you want, okay. And what happens is that people are already built relationship with you, now they have seen your product, and now you're saying that they will be getting 3 more products, 3 more bonuses if they take action and purchase your product in next 3 days. So this actually pumps up your subscribers, and they feel really great seeing your offer, and they actually act on it. Okay, so this is a brilliant campaign which I have used in my website, on my clients' websites, and it works out brilliantly. Make sure you use it. Okay, so I'll just repeat it. I need your help will ask for questions from your subscribers. Then you will reply back to them with their questions. Then you will send out the question and answer PDF to your list of subscribers. Then you will find out a way to tell them to give their contact number or probably Skype ID, or probably get them into a teleseminar and interact with them. Then you can set up an automated email counseling where you can tell your subscribers that they can actually take a survey and you will be replying to them personally. And you can actually make this automated by setting up an survey section and putting up your answers in different autoresponders. And then you can promote your product to your list of subscribers. Okay, it's a complete direct sales pitch. And then finally you can create bonuses and give it if they purchase your product within a time limit. So you can actually create scarcity with these bonuses. And when you do this, the sales of this product bumps up tremendously, because you are applying solid relationship building system, and secondly you are multiplying it with scarcity and bonuses. So use this campaign. It is a very powerful relationship building campaign and it works excellent. Okay, and along with that, use these tips in your follow-up emails. Okay, and this will actually move out to your list of subscribers in an automated fashion. Okay, so when you do all this, it actually bumps up your relationship building with your subscribers and it takes your sales to the next level. So with this, I've covered up the relationship building part, and it is I would really love if you take, I would really want that you take action on the information that I have shared with you, because it is very powerful and it helps in making good sales and in turn increases your goodwill in front of your subscribers. There's one more thing which I have to cover up, that is list segmentation, and I will actually record another video. I'll actually clear up this board and record another video. Okay, so I'll just pause for a minute and clear up the board, and then I'll get back to you with the list segmentation part, where I'll be showing you how you can actually go about doing list segmentation and build solid relationship with your subscribers, and in turn increase your conversion rate by getting that list segmentation into place. This is something which most people don't do, and because they don't do, their list conversions becomes terrible. Okay, so I'll just clear off this board and get back to you and connect with you again. Let's continue with the list segmentation part, and in this list segmentation part, I'll be showing you how you can actually segment your list based on their specific problems, and if you do this, you will increase your conversion to a lot extent, and also it will help you in building strong relationship with your list of subscribers. So first, let me explain you what does it mean by list segmentation, what list segmentation exactly is. So let's say your website is relating to skincare. Okay, this is the topic of your website, skincare. So what basically you can do is you can actually segment the problems of people in your niche. Okay, so if I look at skincare, I can figure out 3 problems. So the first one is acne, the second one is wrinkles, and the third one is skin glow. This simply means that people who are looking for skincare, okay, skincare is a very generalized niche, and these 3 are specific niches within skincare. So it is important that you focus on specific niches and you target specific niches so that it helps you to increase conversions. And here's the reason. If you just imagine people searching for skincare in Google search engine, and it is very difficult to find out what kind of problem that person is facing, because he's typing in skincare. He could be looking for something like solving a wrinkles problem, or probably that person might be looking to solve his acne problem, or probably that person might be looking to have a fair glow on his skin. So there can be multiple things that the person might be looking for. Okay, but he is not very specific enough when he is typing that keyword in the search engine, that is skincare. But if the person types in something like acne rosacea, that simply means that person exactly knows as to what kind of problem he has. Okay, and if you target that person with acne rosacea, you can actually show that person an article related to acne rosacea as well as a product, and the conversion will be high. Okay, so it is really important that you categorize your website into specific problems that your website visitors is facing. Okay, I had a client in a hair care niche, and that client had a website where there was very generalized information about hair care. And when I got that client's website, okay, when I had a chance to consult that client, I actually broke his business into various subcategories. So I had specific problems, I created categories for specific problems for that client. So example, I created category for baldness, hair loss, dandruff, graying, and within those categories also there were many sub problems. So I created an entire flow chart, okay, an entire tree like structure based on the specific problems that the visitors of the clients were facing. So similarly, I have created an example of skincare. So all you have to do is categorize your generalized niche into specific niches, and then you have to segment your list. Okay, you have to do list segmentation of your entire subscribers. You have to actually bifurcate your subscribers based on the specific problems that they are facing. So the simple way to do this is that you can create, the first way you can do is you can go on your blog or website and you can create different categories and subcategories based on the different kind of problems your subscribers are facing. So when you have that, you have a specific category for a specific problem. So if I had a skincare website, I would have created categories like acne, acne rosacea, wrinkles, skin glow, and so on, okay, on my website. That is the first part I would have focused on, building the list segmentation part. Then I would have created a specific squeeze page to collect name and email address for each of these categories, okay, and I would have created a separate specific email campaign, that is a follow-up email campaign as well as a broadcast email campaign for each of these categories. So when you do this, what happens is that when a person visits your website, okay, then he can see several categories on your website based on the specific problem that he is looking for. Okay, so what you can do is also on your home page you can put up a simple survey. Okay, let's say my website is relating to skincare, so I can put up a specific survey on my home page where I can say that just a simple question, what kind of problem you are facing, and if you are facing skin fairness related problem, click here. If you have acne, click here. If you have wrinkles, click here, and so on. So that person actually specifically clicks into the specific problem that he's facing through that survey, and then he lands up into a page, onto a squeeze page, okay, based on his specific problem, and then he subscribes out there. So when he does this, that person lands up into an autoresponder based on a specific problem, and then he receives specific follow-up emails as well as broadcast emails based on his specific problem. And when you do this, your relationship boosts up, okay, with that subscriber. That subscriber considers you as an expert in that topic, and third, it improves the conversion rates of your product sales, because to the skincare, to the wrinkles list, okay, the wrinkles list, you will be marketing only wrinkles related products and services. To the acne list, you will be marketing only acne related products and services, okay. So you will not be mixing and you will not mix and match, okay, people into various things. So your wrinkles follow-up emails will not go to acne people, your acne follow-up emails will not go to person who's looking for skin glow, okay. So it is important that you categorize and subcategorize your website into specific problems that a person is facing, and then when you do that, okay, categorize your blog into specific problems, into these specific categories, and categorize your email campaigns, your follow-up emails and broadcast emails into these specific categories, okay. So most of the autoresponders now have a list segmentation feature where you can create different autoresponders for different categories on your website, and also you can set up filters and list segments for based on the specific problems of your subscribers. So make sure you do this list segmentation part. It will help you in building relationship and also boost your conversion rate. So with this, I'll end up the relationship building training, and I hope you have got great value by this training. And if you use this training, I am definitely sure it will help you to skyrocket your business and your product scales. So focus in helping people, providing great value, providing quality content, and do some promotion. Okay, mix and match these things, and make sure you do the follow-up email campaigns as well as the broadcast email campaigns, the interactive email campaign which I have given you, and I'm surely you will see a terrific improvement in your conversion. So with this I'll end up this training, but before I leave, I want to let you know about a coaching program, okay, and about my coaching program where I'll be helping you out on one-on-one basis. And I want you to get into this coaching program and work with me on one-on-one basis so that I can personally help you to build your online business from scratch. And I'll give you a quick overview as to what this coaching program includes. However, you can click the link right below this email for complete details about the coaching program, but here I will just giving you a short overview as to what is included in the coaching program. The first thing you get is training. You get weekly training from me where I'll be giving you a specific chunk of training every single week, and each training will build upon the previous training. Okay, so for the next 1 year, that is, this is a 12 months coaching program, so for next 1 year there will be 48 weeks, so you'll be getting approximately 48 training lessons, and each training lesson will be delivered to you on weekly basis. Okay, so all you have to do is whenever you get a training lesson, make sure you complete the homework assignment. You'll be getting a homework assignment along with every training, so complete that homework assignment and you'll be one step closer towards building your online business. So you'll be getting 48 training for next 48 weeks, that is 1 year, and every training will include a homework assignment along with it. So all you have to do is complete the homework assignment and you will be on your way. Okay, then you'll be receiving one-on-one help from me via email. So when you're completing your homework assignment and you're taking the training, and if you have any questions or doubts, okay, you can just shoot me an email and I'll help you. I'll reply back to you on one-on-one basis and help you out to solve your questions. So you will never be left alone. There will be someone to help you out. I'll be personally there to help you out on a one-on-one basis to help you solve your problem. Okay, and you'll never get stuck up in building your online business. And if you have any questions, I'll be there to solve it. The next thing you'll be getting is website design. I'll be creating a WordPress blog for you and I'll design a very attractive website for you using WordPress. I have over 300 templates for you to choose from. You can pick up any one template and you can tell me, and I will create your website in your niche with exact look and feel of the template that you have given me. And the templates are amazing, you know, they are absolutely professional looking and they're killer templates. And I'll show you these templates once you click on the video, once you click on the link right below, and in the presentation I'll be showing you these templates right now. So these are absolutely professional templates, and others would simply charge approximately $1,000 to create this kind of templates for you. I'll be building your website for you, your graphics for you, so that you don't have to worry about the technical stuff. Then I'll be giving you hosting account. Hosting account is the server space where your website will be residing. Okay, so I'll be putting your website on one of the fastest servers where my websites are residing, and you will not have to purchase a hosting account, as I'll be giving you 1 year worth of hosting account absolutely free. And I'll be registering your .com domain name. So based on your specific niche, you can select a domain name and I'll register your domain name, and I'll not only register your .com domain name but set up your hosting account and website design. So I'll be integrating all these three things properly. It requires technical knowledge to set up your website on your hosting and domain name, and I'll be doing all this for you. Okay, we'll be building the entire website for you absolutely live and ready to work. Okay, everything will be taken care of, so you'll not have to worry about the technical things, you know. And then you'll be having a WordPress website where you can easily go to the WordPress admin control panel and add your content as well as delete your content. So you'll not have to you'll not need to have the technical experience to create new pages in future, because your WordPress site will be ready, and then you can add new pages by just clicking a button. Okay, so you'll not have to worry about technical stuff once your website is completely built. Then I'll be giving you a whiteboard training similar to this one, and this training will cover the product creation part. It's not the traffic creation, but traffic we have already looked into it. So I'll just make a small modification. I've already shown you that there are 3 pillars to building an online business, and we have already covered traffic, relationship, and the third pillar is product creation. And as soon as you get into my coaching program, I will be giving you the next part of this whiteboard training, where you'll be learning about product creation. And I'll be showing you how to create excellent products within few hours. Okay, now I'll not bore you with tons of hundreds of pages of ebooks or hundreds of hours worth of videos or audios. I'll be giving you a very precise information within 1 hour with this whiteboard presentation, where I'll be teaching you how to create your own products within few hours. Okay, I've created dozens of products and I have experience in creating dozens of digital products, and secondly, most of my products have been created in few hours. I'll be showing you how I do this. I'll be giving you an entire blueprint of how you can actually grab the knowledge, convert your knowledge into a blueprint, and then go about creating the products. And once you get this information and you apply it, I'm sure you can go about creating your products in few hours, and you can create dozens of products. Okay, so this is a very valuable information, and you can even go about creating high ticket programs like coaching programs within a week's time when you follow this information. Okay, and on top of that, I'll be showing you how to design a profitable sales funnel out of the products that you have created. A sales funnel is basically a system where you systematically arrange your products in such a way and automate it using follow-up campaigns and autoresponders, so that you get the best conversions by selling your products in one specific niche. So I'll be showing you, first I'll be showing you how to create your products, and then I'll be showing you how to convert that products into a profitable sales funnel. Okay, and then you can use that sales funnel to set up your online business. Okay, and this sales funnel will actually help you in converting your paid traffic into profits. I'll be showing you that also, the kind of mindset that you should be having to convert your paid traffic into profit. So this is the kind of information I'll be delivering you in this whiteboard product creation video. Okay, so this is what you'll be getting in the coaching program, and the actual cost of the coaching program is $97 per month. As soon as you click on the link right below, you'll be getting complete details about the coaching program, and the price of the coaching program is $97 per month. That is approximately $1,164 per year. This is the actual cost of the coaching program for a 12-month coaching program. The period of the coaching program is 12 months. But if you sign up today, okay, if you sign up today, I slash this cost, and all you have to pay is just $387. Okay, this is just a one-shot fee that you will be paying today for a 12-month coaching program, where you will be getting everything listed out here. Okay, it's just one price of $387. This is over approximately 70% discount that you are getting if you decide to sign up today. Okay, and if you don't sign up today, I will not give you this discount offer. So make sure you do this if you really want my one-on-one help to build your online business from scratch. If you think logically, the training which I'll be giving, that is the 48-week training lessons as well as the homework assignment, this too could easily cost you $500. If I would be selling these programs individually, my training programs, I would be converting it into a $500 physical package, and I could have easily sold it. Okay, the one-on-one help is actually price list, but if I would have charged this, I would have put some price tag on this, it would easily be at least worth $2,000, because time is the most valuable asset, and what I'm giving you with my one-on-one support is time. And you can send me unlimited emails as long as you have a proper question, you have a logical question to ask me, and I'll be there to help you out. Okay, for next 1 year, okay, that is for next 12 months, you'll be getting my one-on-one email support. So this is actually worth $2,000. Website design, hosting and domain name. If you see the templates which I'll be giving you, and if you go to a very average website designer, he will not charge you anything less than $1,000 to get your website design, hosting and domain name. And the reason I know this is because I have charged over $1,000 from corporate clients just to set up the same website which I'll be giving you in this coaching program. Okay, so this is easily worth $1,000. And the product creation whiteboard training, I could easily charge $47. for this training, the kind of information that I am providing in this whiteboard training. So you will be getting all this. Okay, if you consider the value of this, it's $3,000, $3,500 and $3,550. So approximately it's a $3,500 package which you'll be receiving only for $387 today. Okay, if you sign up today. So all you have to do is just click on the link right below. You'll be getting a complete presentation as to what is included in this coaching program, and if you like it, I would love to see you at the other end and work with you on one-on-one basis. And with this, I'll end up this video, and I wish you all the very best and success. And make sure you apply the information that I've given you. It's very valuable stuff, and it is powerful, and it will help you to take your business to the next level. So with this, I'll end up this video, and good night and take care. It's night right now, so good night or good day, whatever is there at your end, and I wish you all the very best and goodbye.